Hello, my name is Sukma. I'm a member of Crack Printmaking Collective and I'm the director of Festival Seni Cetak Grafis, or it can say Printmaking Festival. Okay, so Crack Printmaking Collective is founded in 2013, and over the past 12 years, we have managed a physical space. There is comprising a gallery and a studio and a open public space in the back. As a space, can be used for various activities with a multidisciplinary membership that includes artists, arts manager, researcher, academics, and even musician. Crack has initiated numerous printmaking projects while collectively producing works as a group. Our program span a wide range of activities, from collaborating with cross-multidisciplinary artists to activate our studio, hosting a regular discussion that explore the intersection of printmaking and also contemporary issues, to also initiating a historiography research in Indonesia. These efforts are driven by our passion for the diverse practice of printmaking. Through our project and works, we aim not only to innovate within the field, but also enrich the broader conversation about printmaking, ensuring it continues to evolve as a dynamic and relevant art form. Talking about the theme, Watak can be said as characteristic. It was chosen as our idea that we want to, redefinition or revisit all of the description, all of the meaning about the printmaking in Indonesia. There is a lot of range of definition that we can found through our research before, and it's a lot of. So we choose Watak to explore and reconsider the evolving essence of printmaking in Indonesia, rooted in research conducted in 2022 and 2023. In this time, underscores how printmaking has historically mirrored and influenced societal response, critique, and resilience strategies, particularly in politically charged contexts. The festival recontextualizes the Watak, or defining characteristic of Indonesian printmaking, tracing its evolution from colonial times to the present. It highlighted core principles such as distribution, repetition, reproduction, and emphasizing their ability and relevance across different areas and societal landscape. The theme strongly resonate with the local printmaking community. We can say that many participants and visitors reflected on how it prompted them to think about printmaking not only as an artistic practice, but also as a tool for community engagement and cultural critique. Feedback from the festival goers was overwhelmingly positive, thanks God, with many approaching that nuance the exploration of printmaking roles in both historical and contemporary contexts. We cannot say it's so specific, but the festival programming aimed to offer a diverse perspective on printmaking practice, of course, and the exhibition and the symposium were structured around the three sub-themes. The very first is the historical role of printmaking in socio-political developments. The second is printmaking as a medium for contemporary art, and the third is printmaking in the everyday everyday life politics of society or everyday practices of citizen and popular culture. One highlight was the decentralization of the festival activities. I can say that by inviting community and collective-based printmakers to host their own activities in their own spaces in outside Yogyakarta. The festival embodied the principle of mass participation and broad dissemination, both central to printmaking. A key challenging was address the vast scope of knowledge and practice related to printmaking. At CREC, we often approach printmaking as an artistic medium. However, through engagement with other practitioners, we came to see printmaking as more than just medium. For us, we see then printmaking as a technology of thinking. This perspective allows us to explore printmaking potential not only in an artistic context but also in a social, political, economical, or even pedagogical spheres. This realization shaped that festival programming highlighting printmaking capacity for mass reproducibility, accessibility, and its roles as a tool for communication and critical discourse. Okay, the selection process. The selection process for our exhibition is involve 5 curators with diverse expertise. There is a 5 curator and 3 of them are Febrian Hasibuan, Brito Wirajati, and Hoiril Makin are members of CREX, and they are also contribute to our historical research. They are part of our research and know quite well about printmaking in a historical context. The other one we invite as House Collective, a Yogyakarta-based artist group engaging with youth and popular culture, and the other is we invite Sita Makfira, an Indonesian-born Hungary-based curator and researcher. This team of curator brought varied perspective to the curatorial process, resulting in an exhibition that balanced historical depth, artistic exploration, and also contemporary relevance. We also involve artistic director Agung Kurniawan. There is provide overreaching guidance in the design and activation of the exhibition space, integrating archival materials, collection, and participatory programs. The symposium is explore printmaking through 3 lenses. It's similar to the exhibition, the topic, its history, its material culture, and contemporary practices. Keynote speaker and panelists developed into diverse topics such as women issues, activism and propaganda, and the interplay between printmaking and the emerging technologies like AI, artificial intelligence. One particularly engaging debate that I can say revolves around how an advancement in production technologies and the AI influence in contemporary printmaking. While traditionalists values printmaking standard methodologies, others celebrate its adaptability and evolution in response to technological shift. We hope the festival can foster a deeper understanding of printmaking as a both historical and contemporary practice. For artists, we aim to inspire new approaches to printmaking that merge traditional techniques within modern and innovation. For audience, we want to encourage critical engagement with printmaking as a cultural and political tool. Looking ahead, CREC intends to build a trilogia by expanding research and collaboration. We aim to further decentralize printmaking practices involving communities across the Indonesia and beyond. Additionally, we plan to explore the intersection of printmaking with the digital technologies and global movement, positioning it as a medium that bridges local narratives with a global dialogue. That's what we hope.